Hello, now I'm audible.
Yes, Samir.
Okay. So, what was the last topic, guys, we were looking into yesterday?
Key vault.
Azure Key Vault Service.
Please be louder. I am not able to hear you guys.
Azure Key Vault Service.
We have done already, no?
No, we have not completed. Samir. We have
Okay.
created the link services for the three storage.
Okay. 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 So we'll continue that and we'll just finish it off today. So as I think I need not explain you about the Azure keyword today because already people have we have already discussed that what is keyword and all. Okay.
Yes, Samir.
Okay. So guys, I'm starting up this with the same process now. So just a minute, let me just check this. You have this Azure key, what is the? So guys, as for this, I'm just starting up the things, okay? Okay, as per this, I'm starting up the thing, okay? So let's go ahead here with this. Okay. So I'm starting up. So guys, these are the things we have it. So as per this, just have a look on once on the specifications. I'm using the Azure keyword, which is used to maintain the secrets, and whereas the source data store is ADLS Gen 2, and with a file called airlines.csv, and the sync data storage is the Azure SQL database, and in this I want a table called airline table. So guys, what is this Azure keyword? It is one of the service like the ADLS Gen 2, like the Azure SQL database, like the ADF. You have another service called what? Azure keyword service. That's it. Okay, which is used to maintain the secrets. So now, as it is, I'm starting up the resource group now. Just to start with the
Audio
resource
is
group.
not getting anything.
Hello, who is this? So click on this create. So let's give the name of this. So I'm giving.
Hello, Samir,
Ah,
please unmute yourself.
hello. Hello. What happened?
Anyone getting voice?
So let's give it here. So resource group. So resource group, I'm giving it as Azure Key Vault. Azure Key Vaults RG. So means the resource group. So just click on the review. Click on the create. So guys, the resource group is ready. And next one, let's go to the source. The source is what is it? You have it? Yeah, everyone. What is my source? Hello.
Gen 2.
Gen 2. Gen 2.
Yeah, it is Gen 2.
Okay, so just click on the create. So I'm using the source key vault. So I'm using the source keyword. So click on the advanced tab as I wanted to make this as a Gen 2. Enable hierarchical namespace, review. And click on the create. That's it, guys. So the next one, I'm just giving you the Azure SQL database. Just open this. And now click on the create tab. Now select it here as it is. So I'm giving the database name as a SingDB. Create the server. So Durga sub server, use authentication method. And here use it the Durga admin. And the password. The same password I'm using it. That's it. And soon after this, you have to go to the pricing tier. So click on the configure database. Select the pricing tier, guys. I'm using the basic less demanding workloads. You can reduce the size as well if you want. So and the next one, what is it? You have it. pricing tier is completed, and so click on the networking tab, click on the public endpoints, allow the firewall settings, review plus create. Okay, guys. So this sync is being created. So meanwhile, my source is ready. So go to the source now. Now use it here container, and then use it here input. Click on upload. Browse. So use it airlines. I'm using the files called airlines here. Upload it. Yes, guys, are you there, everyone?
Yes, Samir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who is this Tirumal? Tirumal is there in the class.
Yeah, yes.
Please talk to me. Actually, you're not from this batch, no?
Yeah, I'm in previous batch, sir.
Okay, just
That
you
batch
call.
it is
Talk to
not
me after the
proper.
class.
Sure, sure.
Okay. So, guys, here you have it. Okay, this one. So, again, what is it? Go to this resource. The database is ready here. Now, guys, here I'm using the database as what? Durga Software Server being that is Durga Soft Server is the server, and the database called SyncDB is being hosted on the Durga Soft server. That's it, guys. So this is the thing we have it. Anyways, just I'm going here, starting up the data factory. Click on the create. So use instance. Instance, what is it? You have instance, Azure keywords, service, Azure keyword service. This is the name of this instance. So click on the review. Click on the create. So guys, here it's ready. Click on the launch. And next after this, let it launch. Meanwhile, I will create the service here. Mhm. Click on the expand. Now guys, here you have it. Click on the manage link service. Anyways, so this is the home page. This is the name of this. Okay. So okay. Mm. Okay, so just go to this one, and now guys, I'm starting up the keyword service. So click on the create. Now guys, select it here, Azure keyword. Now give the name here. So I'm giving that. What is the name? Azure keyword. Okay, Azure keyword submit. Anyways, click on the review.
Samir,
Mm,
why we are not get that error while creating that SQL server? Means we are using the same name again and again.
no, we have deleted the yesterday. No? SQL server.
Yes. Why it's not showing that this is already created and all?
That is actually I'll be using frequently for many times. No? That's the reason it is showing, but the service, if it is available, it won't be showing you. It will give you an error. That's it. There is no service. That's the reason it has given allowed you. Anyway, so guys, once you have selected the basic, click on access configuration, and now select it as vault access policies. Click on this button, and next one after this, guys, here you have a create access enable policy. So click on this create. And now here select it your principal and select the secret management. Select the secret management. Only this is enough. Okay. So that's it. And click on the review. And now here search the ADF service. This service you have to search it here. So what is the service name you have it? Instance Azure keywords. So that means this service you are registering with the keyword. Okay, select it here. Select it here. Click on the next. Click on the next. Click on the create. Click on the review. Click on the create. Now guys, go to the resource now. That's it. Now we are starting it. Can you see here? The Azure Keyword Service is started and click on the secrets. Tell me now, how many secrets do we need it? Tell me now. One for the source and one for the target. So click on the source and now generate import. And now use it here. Name. What is the name you have it?
Source.
Yeah. Gen 2 key. So I'm using the Gen 2 key here. This is the name of my source key. So I'm just pasting it here. That's it. And now next one is what? Secret value. So just put the control here. So go to this overview. And now go to the source. In the left grid, click on the access policies. Click on show. Now select it here. Copy. Now paste it here. Now click on the create. That's it. The first key is created. Create the second key. And then you have what is that?
Target.
Yes, SQL DB key. Guys, SQL DB key is here. So next one, what is it? You have it. The value you have to take. So from where you have to take the value? So anyways, the source work is done already.
Sync DB.
No, the source work is done already. You need not worry on the source. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And now next one, go to this database and now click on the properties tab. Oh, sorry, connection string tab. And now select the ADO.NET. You have entire thing. Now copy this entire. Paste it here. And just change your password. Whatever the password you have given at the time of logging in, the same password you have to use it. So for that, I'm using the password as what? Samir 1990. That's it. Okay, this is the password I've used it. And now recopy it again. I'm trying to log into the database now. Now, so the value, whatever we have it, just copy it here. Come back. Paste the value here. Click on the create. The two secrets are ready here, guys. Fine, everyone. Yes. And now come back to the ADF now. Now start the services here. Click on the manage. So tell me now how many link services we required?
3.
3. One for the Azure keyword and one for the source and one for the target. So first of all, I'm creating it for the keyword. So I'm using key here. That's it. Select the keywords as a link service and provide the name here. ls keyword. Select the subscription. Select the keyword name. That's it. Test the connections. Click on the create. Next. Click on the new link service. The source is the Gen2. Open this. Provide the name. So here you said ls underscore adls underscore Gen2. Okay. Source. Now guys select it here. And now select it. Source keywords. But here instead of this, if everything is selected normally like this, what is the use of defining the keyword? So now click on the enter manually. And now here you have to give the physical path manually. For what? For the keyword. Sorry, for the Azure ADLS Gen2. So use HTTPS // what is the account name, guys? Source account name, just check here. Source account name is source keyword, source keywords. Paste it here. Source keywords. Source keywords, then .dfs. DFS stands for distributed file system. Then core dot windows .net. That's it. Select the keywords and now select the link service. You have already defined it. And select the secret name. For what? For SQL DB or for Gen2? For what you're creating this?
Gen2.
Link service for the Gen2. So just open this. That's it, guys. Rest of all the things are normal as usually have it. Click on test connections. To use the SQL DB as the sync system, I'm creating another link service for the same. ls underscore SQL DB underscore sync. And now select it here. Select the Azure Key Vault manually. Select it, everyone. Now select the secret name. Secret name is SQLDB key. And now select it here. Version, latest version, secret version, everything is fine now. So anyway, see, we are not connecting it here. We're directly connecting it through what is it? Azure Key Vault. So here, test it once. Successful, guys. Huh? Click on the create. That's it. As a part of development, go to the author now. Click on the pipeline. I'm creating a new pipeline, guys. PL underscore. So I want what is it? PL underscore keywords. That's it. Select the move and transform. Drag and drop the copy activity. Select the source. Select the source. No data set. So click on this. Click on the source. What is my source data asset is Gentuna. Select it. File is a delimited file. ds underscore adls underscore Gentoo. Now select the sync. You don't have a sync table, so just open this. And I want what is it? SQL.
SQL.
Yeah, SQLDB selected here. And provide the name ds SQLDB underscore sync. Nothing is there, anyways, none. So click on the edit. So use it here, DBO. What is the name you have to tell me?
Airlines.
Any name you can give it. Airlines table, I'm using it. Click on the none because nothing is there. Click on OK. And then select the auto create table because nothing is there. So we have to create it manually, if not. Debug, that's it, finished. Succeeded, guys. Go and check in the database. Table is there. So here, select it here. Select a star from Run this. Got it, everyone? Hello.
Yes.
So that's it, guys. This is how we make the process header. Okay. That's it.
Now we can see the AZURE keyword.
What happened?
Okay.
So that's it,
Yes.
guys.
Hello.
Hmm.
Hello.
Tell me.
Sir, Tirmal here.
Tell me. Tell me.
Yeah, you are only ask me, sir. I want to connect like that.
Okay. No, no. It is resolved. I told them. Durga Saf was asking for you. Okay, okay. No problem. Thank you.
Yeah, hi Samir.
Yeah, please.
Samir, we have created Azure Key Vault, right? What is the use of Azure Key Vault here in this scenario? Normally, how we are loading the data from ADLS Gen 2 to database,
You
same
don't
thing.
have you seen you have not entered the username and password for the link services.
Yes.
That's the only use.
Okay. 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 It's only for the target database, right? That we are.
For the source also. Here everything is local. You're not able to understand that. Okay. The source and targets, whatever you have created, it requires a username and passwords always.
Okay. Okay. And one more thing is in normal scenario, in real time scenarios, we are having for each environment only one ADF, right? One ADF session for each environment.
Yes.
In that case, while we are creating Azure Key Vault, we have selected a particular ADF, right? That we are creating.
If ADF is different, Key Vault is different.
While creating Azure Key Vault, we have selected ADF session, right?
Why? Because I wanted to register this particular ADF session with that particular keyword.
Okay,
This
okay.
keywords
It
is for that
store
particular.
under, okay, it will store under ADF session.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, thank you.
Guys. Thank you. Everyone.